Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can use Cryptomania app. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Cryptomania app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version. After that, select the preferred language and tap on the Set button at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on Let's Go and you will be sent to the home page of your account. Here, tap on the yellow offer at the top and then select the Sign Up feature to create a new account. You can use either of the available platforms or you can just sign up through email. After signing up, tap on the Collect button and a bunch of sign-up rewards will be sent to your account. On the home page, we have a bunch of features that you can try out. First, we have the dividends feature that helps us to spin the wheel and gain rewards for watching online ads. There are also some daily rewards present that refresh every day and you can get them just by opening the app. Then there are challenges and shop that you can use to gain coins and then utilize them within the app. There is also a trade icon at the bottom of your screen. If you tap on it, a real-time graph of the selected crypto will be displayed. You can also see graphs of other cryptos by selecting them from the dedicated menu. You can use this feature to practice the trading without losses. There is also a tournaments feature available that you can use to further practice trading and face real-time trading problems. Just like the ones before, we also have an offer section and a shop feature. That's how you can use Cryptomania app. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.